Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1968 Dodge Charger. Wicked cool car, guys. It's a Resto-mod. It's got a 440 cubic inch a Holley Sniper EFI underneath the hood. They finished it in Plum Crazy purple metallic. You can see the black tail stripe, black vinyl top. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. LED tail lights back here. And man, this thing sounds mean. Great, just a lumpy camshaft in it. They put air on it. It's an older build. They say it's been done for about 10 years. It's got like 11,000 miles on the build. So the nice thing is it's proven. You know, the car's been together for a while and they've been driving it. So there shouldn't be a whole lot of shakedown on the car. But slick, Plum Crazy purple metallic paint. It's got 15-inch American Racing torque thrusts on it. Good size rubber, 275s on the rear, 255s on the front. Everything seems to work on it, I'll tell you that. The air blows cold. Look how nice they did that grille. New bumpers. It's got the hood mount turn signals. Pretty plain. Couple little touch-up marks. But not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Very nice. Final top's in great shape. Dual chrome mirrors. Tinted rear glass. And there's a couple little. There's one back here. Yeah, there's a little touch-up mark there somewhere, but like I said, there's a few little things you can kind of nitpick on it, but really nice car. New rear bumper. These look new. These are definitely original. We can pick those a little bit. Car sits good. I thought about putting a set of Magnum 500s on it, but kind of left it alone. Again, 275s in the rear. Front disc brakes. Yeah, good running 440 underneath the hood. I think this is actually a 68 block. The car would not have came with a 440. I think it was a 318 car if I remember right. 440 Holley Sniper EFI. You can see it's got the K&N air cleaner on it, the Mopar Performance valve covers. Nice little cam in it. They do have aftermarket air, aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's an MSD digital 6AL ignition box, power steering, power disc brakes, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, the hood mount turn signals work. No fender tag. I love the marker lights in 68. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm doing my best to try to knock stuff out. I know stuff has got sold before we got it advertised. I know that gets people crazy, but I do the best I can to get them done as fast as I can. But sometimes people just buy them. If you do see something and door seams are clean and the pictures and there's not all the complete ad isn't done, pick up the phone and call the guys. A lot of times they'll do a FaceTime video with you. They'll let you really see it. New sill plates. I know a lot of guys have said that's not good enough. They want my videos. Seats are really nice. Of course, these are the iconic 68 seats. I don't remember any other seat looking like that. They put a very cool Autometer Pro Comp gauge cluster in it. It's really cool. Tacking gauges. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 11,000 miles on it. Bucket seats, center console. It's got carbon fiber cover on the top of it. Seats are really nice. Headliner looks good. It's got a Audiosounds custom sound system in it. 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. That sounds really good. 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear axle. It's all body color here in the trunk. Again, that's part of the sound system. That stuff is all beyond me, but I know the radio and stuff works. It all kicks on. Everything opens and closes nice. Pretty, they really didn't do a whole lot underneath. It's just kind of, factory. As always, there'll be photos under there. It's funny, I was having a conversation actually about this car the other day with a guy, and a customer asked me, what is a car that has always been hot? I've been doing this since I've been 17 years old. And I told him 68, 69 Chargers and 71 Cudas. I just don't remember a time since I've been doing this that those cars haven't been extremely popular and extremely, sought after. These cars have always been hot. That's your EFI stuff. And then there's a plug-in for the radio. It rumbles, man. Sorry. Shut the hood. Getting ahead of myself, guys. I make mistakes. The other day I called this Buick a Plymouth. What happens when you start trying to do stuff too fast? You can see it, but it's 11,177. All the gauges are working, holding good oil pressure. And everything opens and closes good. I got the lights on, the LED tail lights. Car sounds great. Radio works, blower motor works, the center console lights work. The wipers are functional. Oh, sorry, yeah, these work. Mount turn signals work. Wipers work. The headlights all work. Put your headlights back on. Oh, you see them. Push them all the way. There you go. Yeah, I had them partially out here. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by click the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.